Sir, here you can see clearly stone on stone, stone on stone, much clearer. A 600 years old temple, Ganpati, capital beam balancing structure, 600 years old structure. Pillars are nicely decorated, high pillared hall, beam balancing structure. Yes, sir. Interlocking system. Yes. Yeah, interlocking. Interlocking is plug and pin like this. Interlocking is there. See the Ganpati here. Made out of one single rock, single stone, 4.5 meter, sitting position with 4 hands. Lot of beginning, removal of obstacles and hurdles. No puja because it's mutilated, destroyed by the invaders. The belly, nose, the big belly has been destroyed, nose has been destroyed. So according to Hindu cult, no puja happening. 4.5 meter. This is called Kadalekalu, another Sasvekalu. Size is bigger, so we call Kadalekalu. Size is smaller, we call Sasvekalu. Sasvekalu is there. This is Kadalekalu. One single rock, one boulder, single piece, monolithic. There was a big natural boulder here only. The sculptor chose that and sculpted statue out of one boulder. Then later they built a 3-chamber temple around it. Yeah, late. One stone. The boulder was here only. Because no jack, no machine to lift all those things. Yeah. Ganpati, elephant-headed god, son of Shiva Parvati. And after war, belly destroyed, nose destroyed. So no puja ceremony is not happening. It's not in use. Big Ganpati. And the pillars are nice. This is a conch blower. Shankudonu. Bala Hanuma, younger Hanuman. And this is the Kirti Mukha and Muslim drummer, you see the Muslim entertainer, Muslim drummer. Yeah. A meditation on fish means is a meditation on water.
Never seen that.
Yeah. A drummer, entertainer, musician. Hanuman, Krishna there, Rama with bow and arrow, Krishna, here dancing Ganesha, dancing Ganapati. Yeah, inscription not here, not here.
It's in that another
Ganapati we have inscription, but here no. And that's a Virupaksha temple, we are going there. And that's a Hampi bazaar. Can you see the market? Ancient bazaar, 2-story, Hampi bazaar. Where a lot of trade used to happen. Rubies, diamonds, pearls, emeralds, gold, silver, flower, fruits, vegetables, food grains. A long market, 2-story. Once it is a busy bazaar, now nothing. Dedicated to Shiva, one of the oldest, biggest and still active. That painting is new, recently painted. We are going nearer to that. And that is a famous hill, Sunrise Hill, Matanga Hill. People go to watch sunrise there in the morning. Famous for sunrise. In Treta, Rama met Hanuman over there. Sorry, Rama met Sugriva.
brother.
Sugriva, no, Sugriva is the chief of Hanuman, king. Sugriva is the king and Hanuman is the commander, army general working under Sugriva.
Oh, Vanar Sena.
Huntress, Betagarti. Or thorn, mullu.
Yes, yes.
Try to pulling out the nail, thorn.
ಇದು ಬೇಲೂರೊಳಗೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕೆತ್ತಾರ ಸರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದು
Belur Halebidu, that stone is very soft because underground mining. This is surface mining, you know. This is a hard granite.
But the same
yeah.